It's a new 2019 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.